Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at how to refill the HydroGenie after you've been using it for a little while. So you can see the level that was first put in was about 3/4 of the way up. It's now down to maybe a little less than half. It can go all the way down pretty much to the white if you don't want to take the time to do this, but it just takes a few seconds. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the snap plug, and it may have some moisture on it, so just wiggle it out. It's going to be a little firmly in there because of the flaring on the plug when it goes in. It will have a little wetness on it, and that's normal. That's some of the vapors from inside the chamber. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of distilled water, and we're going to rinse that off. And we're going to also make sure that I would usually do this in a sink and then dry it. But since we're here, we can do this. And then just wipe this area right here with a wet sponge to take any kind of buildup that might be around there. You then take your funnel that fits into the HydroGenie. Move this a little closer so you can see in the camera. And then we're going to take distilled water again, and we're going to fill it up to about 3/4 of the way high. Again, pour slowly so it doesn't bubble off. You can also protect the HydroGenie with a cloth, and if it gets a little high, it's not a big deal. Once you've put in the electrolyte initially into the unit, that never needs to change, except maybe 5 years from now, from when you first started up. But all you need to add is distilled water on each use. Okay? Then take the plug. We're going to wiggle it back in. Make sure you tighten it. That's why I asked you to rinse it off, just to get the electrolyte off there. We're going to put it back in and make sure that it's tight, and then snap it down again. Make sure it's seated well. And that's all it is. That's all there is to filling the HydroGenie.